Absolutely. If I was a young player growing up in Fiji, I'd be wanting to be part of the Drua, because that's the easiest pathway into Flying Fijians now. It's a direct pathway through the academy growth into professional rugby, into Super Rugby, into international rugby. And I would, we're meeting up with Byrne, and Byrne's got his selections to do, but I'd like to think we've presented, half a dozen players for him to have a look at for this year. And that'd be great. It'd be great if we could produce some players into the Flying Fijians team. Yeah, I'd say at the moment we've got probably 12 or 13 players that have the potential to take the next step. The potential is they need to do a little bit of work on their body, need to get a little bit stronger and a little bit fitter. But certainly the talent and the raw talent is there for them. If they want to work hard, they could definitely potentially be Flying Fijians.